Okay, in this video we are going to learn about independent probability. And first thing that we have to understand is the word independent, that each probability that we're going to deal with is independent of each other. The outcomes are independent of each other. So when you create your probability, you're going to be creating as many fractions as you have choices. In this case, if you flip a coin, so that's one event, and you roll a six-sided die, that's another event. What is the probability that you will flip a heads and roll a two? So in this case, they are two different events, so they are independent of each other. So we will have to first create each independent fraction and then multiply those two together to get our independent probability to get a flipping a head and rolling a two. So in a coin, you have a 50-50 chance. So heads would be 1 out of 2. And for a six-sided die, rolling a 2, there's only 1 2 out of 6 total. So when we multiply these straight across, we get 1 out of 12. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 6 is 12. So we're going to plug that in here. We're going to first make sure that we get this. So 1 divided by 12, and we get our answer. Let's try one more just so we can check for our understanding here. Like that. So we have Captain Gabriella has a ship, the HMS Khan. The ship is 2 furlongs from the dread pirate Amos and his merciless bands of thieves. Okay. The captain has probability of 3 out of 4 of hitting the pirate ship. The pirate only has one good eye, so he hits the captain's ship. Probability would be 1 out of 4. If both fire their cannons at the same time, what is the probability that the pirate hits the captain's ship, but the captain misses? Okay, so the probability that the pirate hits the captain's ship, so he hits the captain's ship, would be 1 out of 4. So that's the probability of the pirate hitting the ship. But the captain missing, well, if the captain has the probability of hitting the ship at 3 out of 4, remember 1 minus 3 out of 4, we change that to 4 out of 4 minus 3 out of 4 would be 1 out of 4. So the probability that the captain misses is 1 out of 4. And we would multiply that together straight across, we'd get 1 out of 16th, 1/16th of a probability of both those happening. So we would plug that in, 1 divided by 16, and get our final answer. Any questions, let me know. So we have independent probability here. Don't forget, find out the probability of each independent event happening and multiply straight across.